Compressed air cans are expensive, they run out and they're never there when you need them. So what if instead of buying disposable cans over and over again, you just had one rechargeable device that was more powerful, more versatile, and could be used pretty much anywhere? Well, that's exactly what the WOLFBOX Megaflow 200 is designed to do, and honestly, this thing is far more powerful than I expected. Now at first glance, this just looks like a small handheld blower, but inside it's packing a surprisingly powerful motor capable of producing wind speeds over 87.5 meters a second, along with up to 270 grams of air pressure, and honestly, you feel that immediately, and it's much more powerful than I expected. And the first thing I tested it out on was my PC keyboard because that was in a pretty bad way. As you can see, it's incredibly dirty and dusty with bits of hair stuck between the keys. Now, if it wasn't so bad, I could get away with blowing the dust out from the keys, but as this hasn't been cleaned for a year, I decided to remove all of the keys and clean it properly. The Megaflow 200 comes with 4 adapters to attach to the end, and this was really useful for getting the dust out of all the buttons. It also comes with brushes that are great for cleaning as well. Once all that was done, I gave it a quick wipe down with isopropyl alcohol. I soaked the keys, put it all back together, and as you can see, it looks good as new. Now, of course, the power of the Megaflow 200 makes it useful for a wide range of tasks like cleaning the actual computer, whether it's fans, heat sinks, dust filters, graphics cards, or around the motherboard. This thing makes quick work of it without needing to buy compressed air cans every few months, and because it's completely wireless, you're not dragging cables around the room either. Now, despite all that power, it weighs just 0.88 pounds or around 400 grams, so it's easy to hold and maneuver when you're trying to get into tighter spaces. Now, one thing I really like is that WOLFBOX hasn't designed this for just one job. Inside the box, you actually get 4 different nozzles. We've got a flat nozzle, a round nozzle, a long nozzle for getting into more awkward areas, and even an inflatable nozzle which can be used for things like airbeds and other inflatable equipment. So depending on what you're doing, you can swap the nozzle and completely change how the Megaflow 200 behaves. For example, the long nozzle is great for electronics in tighter spaces like my keyboard, whereas the wider nozzles are much better for general cleaning and outdoor use. Speaking of outdoor use, that's actually where this surprised me the most, because this isn't just useful for tech. I've been using it around the house for the garage, blowing dust off of tools, clearing debris from work surfaces, and even cleaning equipment after working outside. WOLFBOX also highlight use cases like garden maintenance, outdoor furniture cleaning, clearing leaves from patios, cleaning lawn equipment, and even camping, and the airflow is strong enough that you quickly start finding jobs for it that you wouldn't normally associate with an air duster. Now, power is great, but it's no good if the battery only lasts a few minutes, but thankfully that's not an issue here either. You've got 3 different power levels available, and at maximum power you're getting at around 10 minutes of runtime, which is where you'll get that full 87.5 meter a second airflow. If you step down to level 2, that increases to around 22 minutes, and then level 1 can reach up to 105 minutes of airtime, which is impressive for a device this compact, so we'll just take a look at the different levels now. So we'll just use this microfiber cloth to show you the power. So this is at power level 1. If I just use it, still plenty to blow that. If I pull it back, I'm just going to change it to power level 2. You can see it blows it much faster. And then if I put it back on the top, we'll change it to power level 3. I'll stand back a bit because it's much more powerful. And you can see it's gone instantly. So depending on the job you're doing, you can choose between maximum power or longer endurance, but personally, I've just been using it at full power at all times. Now, something else that's quite clever is the removable battery design, and the battery can actually be swapped out. So if you do purchase a second battery, you can effectively double your runtime and keep going without needing to stop and recharge, which is great if you're out and about with no power. But personally, I'm okay with just the one battery, as you can recharge it with the USB Type-C port on the bottom. Now, the battery itself uses 2 3000 mAh cells in parallel for a total capacity of 22.2 watt-hour. When it does eventually need charging, it takes around 2.5 to 3 hours to fully recharge. Now, another thing worth mentioning is the noise level. Powerful blowers can sometimes be incredibly loud, but WOLFBOX has rated this at under 85 decibels measured from 30 centimeters away. So while you can obviously hear it working and hear the air, it's not excessively noisy for the amount of airflow that it's producing, so we'll just listen to the sound samples now. So if we just started up, it's now on power level 1, and that's the noise you're going to get from power level 1. Now it's on power level 2. That's the noise it makes at power level 2. And then finally we'll stick it up to full power, level 3.
And this is the noise from level 2. It's a bit noisier, but it is also pushing a lot of air.
Now, one thing I wasn't expecting is the camping side of things. The handle is made from a flame retardant material, and the concentrated airflow can actually be used to help boost a campfire or charcoal fire when outdoors. While most people probably aren't going to buy it for that use, it's an example of how versatile this can be. Now, it's really a multi-purpose cordless blower that happens to be excellent for electronics, and the main thing that I've been using it for, and the biggest benefit for me, is just convenience. Whenever I see a bit of dust on my PC, camera gear, desk setup, keyboard, or even just around the house, I can grab it quickly and deal with it immediately, whereas normally I'd probably be leaving it until it gets really bad. But now there's no buying compressed air, no running out halfway through a job, and no cables getting in the way either, and it's simply just there when I need it. And when it comes to the unboxing, if we open it up, you can see we've first got the manual and documentation, we've got a button guide, we've then got the Megaflow 200, the additional nozzles, and then in the smaller box we've got the carry case, which has inside it the USB-C cable and 2 brushes for cleaning. So overall, I think the WOLFBOX Megaflow 200 is a surprisingly useful bit of kit. You got over 87.5 meters per second of airflow, 270 grams of air pressure, a lightweight cordless design, multiple nozzle options, removable batteries, and enough versatility to be useful from everything from electronics and camera gear through to workshops, garages, gardening, and camping. And once you start using it, you'll probably find yourself reaching for it far more often than you expected. Now, of course, I've placed links down in the description below if you want to go and check out the WOLFBOX Megaflow 200 for yourselves. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.